Lift through one leg, we're going to lift through the right, kick the foot up towards the ceiling. So a donkey kick. And as we squeeze the foot, all right, tabletop. Tuck your toes, lift through the right heel, press it up towards the ceiling, donkey kick. Now we're gonna squeeze the bent knee in towards the chest and nose. You can tuck your chin, that's option one. We'll kick it back through this donkey kick. Lift up through the chest, lift your gaze, inhale. This time as we exhale, we're gonna press into the toes that are tucked, come high up on them for a plank. Knee to nose. As you return, you can bend through this little hover back through donkey. And so it'll be squeeze. Return slowly with control. Squeeze. 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 Other side will look like this. Lift through the opposite leg. Lift through the chest, through the head, through the neck, through the eyes. Tuck your back toes. Try it first on your knee. Exhale. Bend. Squeeze the knee towards the chest, towards the nose. Tuck your chin. Kick it back. Inhale, lift up. Be ready to lift through the leg. On the exhale, press into the toes. We'll take plank. Squeeze knee to nose. Awesome. Slow on the way down. Squeeze. Slow. Squeeze in the exhale. Good. We'll take one more deep breath in. Lift through the foot, lift through the chest. Exhale, tuck your chin. Plank pose, knee to nose. Squeeze.